Welcome to Josh's Toy Box.
Yes, this is Josh Toy Box today. We have another challenge for all of you guys here. Yeah, this is gonna be guess what you're eating. I'll give you some food samples and you gotta guess what food it is. Now, if you guess the wrong food, you're gonna have to face the consequences, alright? Oh, alright. Sure, shall we start with the first sample? Put your mask. Put your mask on. Put your mask on, Joshy.
Can't see what's even.
Oh, nobody can see? Oh, perfect. Let me go get the first sample.
Hi.
Alright, here's our first sample. Zaki,
Huh?
one come in your mouth.
I'm just shipping. I'm smelling it.
Josh, spoon go into your mouth.
Tastes like.
Adam, one go in your mouth.
I smell it so good.
Christina, your turn. Open your mouth.
What is she?
Alright. Ben, your turn. Oh, eat that. Enjoy it. Okay, pull up your eye mask. Now, everybody ready to shout out what answer you think it is? Okay, go on.
Banana!
Too easy. Alright, I have to go a bit harder this time. I'll be back. Here's our second sample.
Who's that?
Zaki, get ready to open your mouth for a taste.
What you see?
No, the whole point is you can't see, Josh.
Huh?
Alright, Josh, ready? Your turn to taste. Don't say what it is. Adam, you ready?
What is this?
Hmm.
What is this one?
Christina, open your mouth.
Ew. I hope it don't be yucky.
Ben, your turn. Open your mouth.
It's yucky, Mom.
It was yucky. Alright, what do you guys think that was? Shout out your answer.
Tomato sauce.
Salad.
Carrot?
Yeah.
Uh-oh, that was not carrot. Uh-oh. Ready for cream on your face?
Yeah. I know.
Oh, yeah. Okay, Josh, you want to do it? Okay. Ready? Christina. Is it delicious?
Eat it, eat it, eat it.
Oh my goodness. Josh licking it. Oh my goodness.
Oh, not all of your hands.
Yeah. Is that yummy?
Yeah.
Okay. Let's try another sample. Here we go. Zaki, open your mouth. Here you go, open your mouth. Wow. Adam, your turn. Now, Ben. Hey, Zaki, what do you think that was?
Grape?
Grape? Josh, what do you think that was?
Cookie.
Cookie? Oh, Adam, what do you think that was?
Great.
Grape?
Grape.
Oh, no! Cookie! Oh, sorry, Josh, you got it wrong. I have to got cream on your face. Are you ready for cream on your face? I know, it wasn't cookie.
Uh-oh.
What? Oh. You got angry eyebrows. Oh yeah. We're down to 3. We're gonna do the next sample. Okay. Now, Zaki, you're gonna go first. Open your mouth big for me.
What does it smell? Smell like something.
Smell like something? Ben, your turn. Open big. Adam. Big, big, big.
Mm.
That's good?
Yeah.
All right. You ready? Or you still chewing there? Okay. Now shout out what you think it is. Go on.
Donuts.
What?
Strawberry.
Strawberry. Hold on. Zach, what did you say?
Donut.
Donut? Adam?
Donut.
What'd you say, babe?
Strawberry.
Strawberry. Are you sure that's what strawberry tastes like?
Yeah.
I'm sorry.
Mm.
But a plate of cream coming your way. Josh. Oh, here Josh comes. Josh coming. Josh, is that delicious? Was that delicious? Well, it's down to Zach and Adam. What we got here? Zachy, open your mouth. Oh, what do you think that is? Yum. Adam, your turn. Enjoy that. All right. Ready for the answer? What do you think that was?
Peanut.
Peanut.
Okay. All right. We'll try the next one. Okay. I wonder if they'll guess this one. All right. Zachy, open your mouth. Whoop. Okay, Adam, open yours. Now, shout your answer on the count of 3. 1, 2, 3.
Pancake.
Pancake. I
Mm.
know pancake.
Oh, very good. You eat pancake too many times. Is that why? Okay, let me try the next one. Let's go a bit harder. Zach and Adam. Doing very, very well. All right. I'll see if you can get this one right. Zachy, open your mouth wide. Oop, got that?
Mommy.
Adam, your turn.
Mommy.
Is yummy, you think so, Joshy? Okay, I'll give them some time to eat. Okay, they're thinking about delicious?
Yeah.
Oh
yummy.
no, it's starting to sound like you know what it is. All right, a count of 3, tell me what it is. 1, 2, 3.
Strawberry.
Okay, gonna go a bit harder, I guess. Oh, you guys are too good.
Oh yeah.
Oh. Okay, another sample. Wonder if they'll get this one right. Zachy, open your mouth wide. Is that delicious? Adam. Okay. Adam look a bit confused there. That's good, that's good. Zachy, you whisper to me what it is. What do you think it is? What do you think? Sausage. Okay, okay. Adam, what do you think it is?
I don't know.
You don't. What? You don't know?
I know it's a meat, but I don't know what type of meat.
Oh. All right, pull up your eye mask. Now, shout your answer on the count of 3 if you do know the answer. All right. 1, 2, 3, go.
Sausage.
Sausage.
No.
You don't know. You know what happened to people who don't know? How's that feel, Adam? The winner here is Zach. Oh yeah, good job, Zachy. Nice job.
I hope you liked the video. Like and subscribe. Bye.